Hi, it's Gina with WTI. I was so delighted when I found this bread sling from Five Star Moon. I'm always looking for ways to cut down on throwaway things like paper products. If I can replace that with something that is reusable, that just makes me so happy. That's one of the reasons that I love this bread sling because it's high quality silicone and I can use it in place of parchment paper when I do my bread baking. Now, I'm just a beginner baker. You can see my technique needs a lot of work, but I love that I have this tool that helps to make the process a little bit easier. It fits into many different size pans. I've used it in my cast iron and my stoneware. I love that the handles are long. I just wait like 15 to 20 seconds after taking it out of the oven, and then I can pull my bread out without burning my hands. It cleans up really easily, and I love the colors. I think that they're just gorgeous. If you're an avid baker or even just a beginner, you really need the right tools to make the process easier. I recommend this bread sling from Five Star Moon, and that's my point of view.